everyone! Are your Halloween displays ready? Today, we're excited to showcase two of Kinyang's stunning Halloween ribbon wreaths that are perfect for adding a festive touch to your decor. First up is the creepy Crawly ribbon bow wreath. This eye-catching wreath features an assortment of ribbon bows in vibrant orange, green, white, and black, adorned with spooky designs like spiders, spider webs, witch hats, and skeletons. Its unique artistry truly captures the spooky vibes of the season.
Next, we have a spooky Halloween ribbon wreath with a classic color palette of orange and black. This wreath showcases a playful stripes, a small cross pattern, and a charming black cat silhouettes, making it a timeless addition to your Halloween decor. Both wreaths beautifully embody the spirit of Halloween with a unique design that will enchant your guests.
Don't miss out to elevate your holiday decor with these fantastic pieces. Thank you for joining us today. Happy decorating!
And have a spooky Halloween! Bye!